Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve this equation 3/4 divided by 1/2 times 2. Now, a lot of people try to do this the wrong way. Some people multiply first and some people mix up the fractions and they get completely different answer. Okay? So remember the PEMDAS rule. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, they are on the same level. Addition and subtraction, they are also on the same level. So we always solve them from left to right. Now we start from left. 3/4 divided by 1/2. Okay? When we divide fractions, we keep the first, flip the second one, and multiply. Okay? So 3/4 divided by 1/2 become 3/4 times 2/1 times 2. Okay, now 3 times 2 gives us 6 and 4 times 1 gives us 4 times 2. Now we have 6 times 2 gives us 12 over 4. Excuse me. Now 12 over 4 gives us 3. The answer is 3.